Second chances, an opportunity to take something we've already done and do it better. So we're back with a new season, a new look, and a new logo. And we're going to earn your subscription. This is Scott Fraser, and this is me, Gary Parsons. We are the Northern Road Kings, and Season 2 starts right now. Long Point, Ontario, Canada. Located on the shores of Lake Erie, home of a seasonal 641 people and a popular cottage and boating hotspot. This sand, on this beach, with this view, that is why we're here. And of course, we can't put away the gimbal without getting some clips of the real stars of the show. Come join us this season on our journey of second chances, because when traveling this great country on a motorcycle, every second chance is a first-rate experience. Thanks for watching.
All right, YouTube, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.